Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm out doing a bit of geocaching today and I thought I'd try and get a few in and do a quick video with a few caches in. So I'll show you where I am. I'm on the outskirts of York. I'm all nicely parked up here and the first one is through there. It's called a common hide, and the hint is use your geocaching senses. And according to the app, I think you can see that, it's about 300, just over 300 meters away. So let's get looking. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny day. Right, so I found the first one in this series that I'm doing today. It's got a little, feels like a bit of a damp log in there, a few stickers, a bit of a twig and a something else, a Santa thing. So I'll get this one signed up and pop back. Right, on to the next one. So the next one is called Stumped Yet, and it's about 250 meters away from where I am. What I am surprised about is it's a Sunday and I've seen one dog walker down here and no cars parked in the car park apart from mine really, and the other dog walker who's gone. Very quiet down here today. Thought it'd be a bit busier. Cyclist just whizzed past. One of the things about geocaching is you learn to look for little clues that point to where the cache might be. Did you see that as I panned past? I mean, yes, the clue is Stumped Yet, but there's stumps on either side, but on this side, look at that, there's a little pathway to that one. What's the betting it's on that stump there? The question is was it there or was it somewhere else? You'll have to come and have a look for yourself, won't you? Big box one this time, with little swappables in. For the kiddie winkles. Not quite sure what that is. Right, that's it, all signed up and returned. On to the next one. The next one is called It All Hinges on This. And it's about, I think you can see that, about 180 meters away. Not far. Some lovely open field land here. Look at that. Lovely. Did I just say lovely twice? Now the cache is called It All Hinges on This, and the hint is magnetic. Is it over there? Or is it over there? Found it. Big question is, where was it? Are you going to come and have a look? There's a little boy inside this one, look at that. And the log. I'm going to get this signed up and then on to the next one. Right, that's all signed and put back. Next one is called Hold the Line. It's about 409 meters away. Let's go. Feels a bit weird walking side by side between, well, in between two crops. Potatoes on that side by the look of it, and something else on that side. And that's why I'm not a farmer. Well, this one's a brilliant little cache, very dinky, tiny little tube, and there is a log inside. It is very wet. I'm not going to attempt to sign it, I'm just going to photograph it and send it to the CO. But yeah, Cracking little find. Okay, on to the next one, and it's called Ivy Seen Worse. And the hint is tucked in. I think most geocachers would agree with me when I say we don't like ivy ones. But they're all part of the challenge. Feels a little bit weird. Even though this is a public footpath, it still has that air of walking on somebody else's property about it. There's a good reason why nobody likes these ivy ones. It's just so hard to find something this small and fiddly. All right, I'm messing with you. It actually wasn't over there, it was somewhere else. But that was the first place I looked. The log on here, again, very wet. Far too wet to sign, unfortunately. But it's a great little cache. Lots of swappables and stuff in it. Just needs a little bit of remedial attention. Okay, I'm going to pop this back. Okay, so that's that one all logged and the cache owner notified. On to the next one. So the next one is called Just Hanging Around. And the hint is that it's about eye level. Now, is that a child's eye or an adult's eye? These questions need answering. I'll tell you shortly. Just wondering if I'm going to get a chance to look for this one with this guy sorting his crops out. Gotta admit, I almost gave up on this one. Really tricky one to find. Really tricky. The log's damp, but signable. And considering it's a tricky one, why don't you come and have a look for yourself? Right, so the next one's called On the Rocks. The hint is you need to be where the title suggests to retrieve it. Let's get looking. Sometimes geocaching really is a bit of an adventure. I mean, look where I'm stood looking for this one. And I found it. But by hell, this one took some doing. Again, another one, nearly gave up. Right, I'm not going to totally give the game away because that's not my style. But yeah, this is a tricky one. Right. Just got to get out of here now and then on to the next one. It's a bit of an embankment. Here it goes. Ooh. Made it. Thank God I had my walking boots on, eh? So I found this one as well. But whereabouts exactly is it? Why don't you come and have a look? I'm going to have a look for another one. I think we'll call this one the last one of the day. It's called Minster Way, Langwith Stray 2, and the hint is base of trees. Let's go looking. My poor bare legs are not enjoying all of these nettles. Ow. I'm currently about 800 metres away.
Project about it, Jamesy.
That's another little one found. And the last one of the day, I think. Nice dry log inside. I hope you've enjoyed this series that I've done today. I've really enjoyed myself, I've had a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've stuck with this till the end. And if you're enjoying what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost anything, it just means you get a notification from YouTube when you open it up to say that I've uploaded a video. And if you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It's entirely up to you. Right, I'm going to sign this up and I'll see you all later. You take care and thanks again for watching. Cheerio.